facial mask cover, and it's part of the reuse collection, and because it's reusable many times, you can just wash and reuse. So what is this crazy looking silicone mask cover? Well, it comes in 2 colors. I have the mint one here, and Krissi has it in pink. So it's made out of high quality silicone, and what this is for is you put it on top of a mask that you're doing. So you can use a sheet mask. So you're gonna put the sheet mask on your face first, and then you're gonna put this on top of the sheet mask like this, and it has ear hoops. Is it crazy? So what this does is it holds in the moisture for longer, because if you put on your sheet mask, as you know, within like 15-20 minutes it starts drying out. But if you put this on top, it'll retain the moisture for longer so that your face can absorb more of the moisture. So you can use it for over a sheet mask. You can do it over any kind of DIY mask, like a gel mask or whatever mask you want to do. You're going to put it on your face first, and then you're going to cover it with this. And it also helps from any masks from like dripping or slipping and sliding while you're waiting for it. So the ear loops are like super helpful. Yeah, because like sometimes like when I have my mask on, I have to just kind of like do that.
Can't really move.
Yeah, but like, this, it'll literally just hold it in place. And then you can just like look on your phone, you can work on your laptop, just do whatever you want. So you can leave it on for however long your mask is supposed to stay on, but it just really helps for moisture. When your face is really dry, you can also use like your normal moisturizer or face, skincare routine, and then put this on